Hey Finch fam, and welcome back to the Finch Academy. Have you ever wanted to add a touch of starlight to your aviary? The Star Finch, with its charming personality and striking looks, is a fantastic choice. Today we're giving you the ultimate guide to keeping and breeding these delightful birds. We'll walk you through everything from identifying males and females, which is thankfully a lot easier with this species, to creating the perfect nesting environment and raising their noisy, adorable chicks. If you're ready to learn how to keep your stars shining, stick around. Star finches are known for being peaceful, sociable, and relatively easy to breed, making them an excellent choice for a mixed aviary. They are active and curious, and watching their busy lives is a treat. We've gathered the best tips from top breeders to make sure your experience is a complete success. And if you're excited to dive into the world of star finches, please hit that like button to help the Finch Academy continue bringing you great content. Segment 1. Appearance and Gender Identification. Let's start with the basics, telling the sexes apart. Unlike some finches, the star finch offers some reliable visual cues, especially when comparing them side by side. Male appearance. Look for a larger, more brightly colored red or yellow in mutations face mask that extends further down the throat and around the head. His white spots on his face and chest are typically more numerous and vivid, and he has a distinct star pattern on his throat and neck. The female's face mask is duller and smaller, covering less area. Her body coloration is generally more muted. While the differences are clear in wild-type birds, be aware that some breeders have developed mutations where females have brighter colors, so visual cues may be less obvious. Behavioral identification, the foolproof method. The most certain way to sex your birds is through song. Only the male sings. The male song is a soft, pleasant, and bubbly call, sometimes accompanied by a courtship dance that involves holding a piece of nesting material in his beak. The female's vocalizations are typically just a soft, chattering call. Segment 2. Setting up the breeding environment. Star finches are incredibly adaptable and can breed in a variety of setups, from single-pair cages to large mixed-species aviaries. Housing. A flight cage of at least 24 inches long is sufficient for a single pair, but an aviary will give you the best results, as it allows them to fly and express natural behaviors. They are peaceful and do well in mixed aviaries with other non-aggressive finches. Nesting options. Star finches are not picky about their nests. They will readily use wicker baskets, half-open nest boxes, or build their own large globe-shaped nests in dense shrubbery or artificial branches. Providing a variety of options allows them to choose what they prefer. Nesting materials. Offer a generous supply of soft, fine materials. Good choices include cocoa fiber, sisal, dried grasses, and plenty of soft white feathers, which they love for lining the nest. Temperature and humidity. Maintain a comfortable temperature, ideally between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Increasing humidity by misting the aviary or cages can help stimulate breeding, especially if you have a pair that is slow to start. Segment 3. The breeding cycle and rearing chicks. Star finches are prolific breeders, and once they start, they can nest quickly and successively. Pair bonding. It's best to allow young birds to select their own partners from a small flock. Once bonded, they are very dedicated to each other. Wait until they are at least 6 months to a year old before allowing them to breed, although they can reach maturity earlier. Egg laying and incubation. The hen will lay a clutch of 4 to 7 white eggs. Both parents share incubation duties, which last about 14 to 15 days. Hatching and nest checks. A note of caution here. Like many finches, star finches can be sensitive to nest disturbance. Avoid checking the nest too often, as they might abandon it. The chicks will fledge, leave the nest, around 3 weeks of age. Weaning and independence. After fledging, the parents will continue feeding the chicks for another 2 to 3 weeks until they are fully independent. Unlike some more aggressive species, it's generally not necessary to separate the young from the parents immediately, as they are typically peaceful. Segment 4. Diet and Conditioning. A balanced diet is crucial for a successful breeding season and healthy chicks. Conditioning diet. To encourage breeding, provide a high-quality finch seed mix supplemented with sprouted seeds and egg food. This extra protein is essential for conditioning them. Greens and live food. Offer a variety of fresh greens like chickweed, milk thistle, and endive. While not strictly necessary, some breeders provide live food like small mealworms or termites during chick rearing to boost protein intake. Calcium and grit. Always provide fresh, clean drinking and bathing water. Star finches are ground feeders, so keeping the cage floor clean and dry is important to prevent parasitic infections. We hope this guide has given you all the information you need to successfully breed these gorgeous star finches. They are a fantastic addition to any finch lover's home. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the Finch Academy. We've got more expert finch advice coming your way every week. Happy breeding, everyone! Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.